Jai Srimannarayana. Third sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tyajyam doshavat ityeke karma prahuhu ಮನೀಷಿಣಃ ಯಜ್ಞದಾನ ತಪಃ ಕರ್ಮ ನ ತ್ಯಾಜ್ಯಂ ಇತಿ ಚಾಪರೇ. ಓಂ Once in a while, do Vedic Yajna. Every day, spend some time to think about Sri Krishna Paramatma. Keep doing charities. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me alone, unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall definitely do Vedic Yajnas once in a while. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall definitely spend some time in thinking of you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall definitely keep doing charities. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukadamrutadravasamyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमुपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಓಂ ಹರಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 363rd day. Sutta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma saying to Brahmana's wives like this, "Oh my dear women, your husbands are performing one yajna. In order to accomplish that yajna, complete that yajna, they need your association with them. That is why Yata Deva Yajanam, you all go back to that Yajnasala." Like that, when Krishna said, all the Brahmanas' wives saying, "Oh Deva, you cannot speak such harsh words with us. You are the one who gave a word that you will take care of your devotees. You will shower your compassion on your devotees. Now you have to prove what you have said. Tagune Madhava ittivadi palukul dharmambule mayadan నీ అంఘ్రళున్ చేరినారము కింకరీ జనులుగా భావించి రక్షింపవే." O Lakshminatha, we all came to your divine feet. You have to treat us your belongings, your servants. Satyam kurushva nigamam tava padamulam ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಾವಯಂ ತುಳಸಿಧಾಮ ಪದಾವಸೃಷ್ಟಂ ಕೇಶೈಃ ನಿವೋಢುಂ. We want to do seva to you. We want to take tulasi which is touched by your divine feet, put that tulasi in our hair, and always eternally wanted to be serving you, doing seva to you. That is the reason, O Krishna, even when our children, our brothers, our fathers, everybody was stopping us, we rejected them and came to you. Now if we go back, they would not accept us. That is why we are not willing to go back. Like that, Brahmana's wives presenting their request to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 3rd sloka. Tyajyam doshavadityeke karma prahurmanishinaha yajnadanatapah karma natyajyamiti chapare. Tyajyam doshavadityeke karma prahurmanishinaha yajnadanatapah karma natyajyamiti chapare. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.